Hello everyone, this is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗃 from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ISGEC Heavy. Our analyst maintains positive view on the stock with a revised price target of Rs 1885, which is an upside of 20% on current market price. The successful sale of the Philippines plant removes an overhang from the stock. Management has guided for a double-digit revenue growth in FY25 and margins to improve gradually from 8% to 12% over the years. Next, we have an update on Hero MotoCorp. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hero MotoCorp with an unchanged price target of Rs 6,057, driven by a healthy recovery in EBITDA margin, strong product response, a continuous focus on premiumization, and expansion into the EV market. Hero MotoCorp introduced second series of VIDA and also entered sub 1 lakh electric two-wheeler segment. The stock trades at a price to equity multiple of 16.7 times FY26 and 15.3 times FY27 and EV by EBITDA multiple of 11.1 times FY26 and 10 times FY27 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.